In the heart of Iloilo, for the past years, More Power Electric Company has been illuminating lives and powering progress. As the main source of electricity for the community, More Power has been at the forefront of innovation and service excellence. With a commitment to reliability and efficiency, More Power has achieved remarkable milestones, ensuring uninterrupted power supply to homes, businesses, and institutions. Iloilo City is home to half a million people. Some communities are so dense that the demand among residential consumers makes it almost impossible for a traditional power utility to cope. The pool of energy bait reporters in Iloilo, businessmen, and other stakeholders get a glimpse of the new control center, which is SCADA ready, a first in Iloilo and a beacon of force to show that anything is possible when investing in modernization for power distribution. Throughout the years, More Power has introduced groundbreaking innovations to enhance the delivery of electricity. From smart grid technologies to renewable energy initiatives, they're leading the way towards a sustainable future. One of the company's greatest challenges is stopping the proliferation of illegal connections, which contribute to high power rates and turn highly populated communities into tinderboxes. Hundreds of violators were brought to court, while thousands were given the chance to file applications for legitimate connections. But More Power's impact extends beyond just electricity. They've been actively involved in community development programs, education, health, and environmental conservation efforts. In their fourth-year anniversary, More Power extend their programs to our community. In its fourth year, top management, employees, and contractors began their week-long celebration by thanking the Almighty for the blessings and sustenance through a Thanksgiving Mass on February 14, the same day 5 years ago when it was granted a franchise through RA 11212. The activity was followed by its sixth blood donation drive in partnership with the Philippine Red Cross to help sustain its operation serving 26 hospitals in the region. This year, More Power strengthened its outreach programs by partnering with the youth and education sector, such as the Philippine Science High School and Miss Iloilo, to sustain its tree planting efforts in Haro. As they continue to serve the people of Iloilo, More Power remains dedicated to delivering more than just electricity. They're powering dreams, driving progress, and lighting up a brighter future for everyone. More Power is set to expand in several towns in Iloilo province after local leaders sought the expansion of its franchise to further address the need for a robust power distribution utility in Iloilo. Ilonggos are known to be skeptical, meticulous, and quite hard to please, but when they start recognizing your feats, it means you have done something good. According to President Ruel Castro, there is more to come for the Ilonggos. Happy 4th anniversary More Power!